सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वंदे वाल्मीकि कोकिलम्। नमस्कारः, स्वागतं। तत्र एकसप्तत्युत्तरत्रिशततमी कक्षा वर्तते, 371st क्लास टुडे, यत्र वयं संक्षेप रामायणम् अस्माभिः पठ्यते। इदानीम् एतावत् पर्यन्तम् एकविंशः श्लोकाः पठिताः अस्माभिः। शतश्लोकेषु तत्र जानन्ति भवन्तः, एकं श्लोकं स्वीकृत्य एकं वा द्वौ वा त्रीन् वा श्लोकान् तत्र पठित्वा एकैकस्य श्लोकस्य तत्र पूर्णतया पठनं सञ्जायते, तत्र प्रचलति। संधि रूपेण संधि कार्याणि, तत्र समास कार्याणि आकांक्षा पद्धत्या बहवः तत्र अंशाः सन्ति। प्रत्येकस्मिन् अभ्यासे 8 वा 10 वा तत्र अंशाः सन्ति। एतैः अंशैः पूर्णतया तत्र यथा श्लोकः समग्रतया अवगतः भवति तथा एतत् पुस्तकम् अस्माभिः पठनं कारयति अथवा। So the book makes us read totally, in detail, each sloka with the analysis, grammatical analysis, and with various other paddhatis which are described here, you know very well. So we finished so far 21 poems. 21 poem is half done and the half is following up. So we move on here on page 65. Srinivas, Akanksha Paddhati has to be read. Aichat.
Kaha Aichat? Dasharataha Aichat.
So Aichat nama wished. This is the lang lakara of Ichhati. Ichhati iti lataha rupasya lang lakare Aichat iti bhute lang bhute evam bhavati. Kaha Aichat? Who wished? Patat?
Yeah, Kaha Aichat? Dasharataha Aichat.
Katham bhutaha Dasharatha Ichat? What type of Dasharatha wished? Dasharatha, who wished? Dasharatha wished. What type of Dasharatha wished? Now you. The king Dasharatha wished. The king Dasharatha, what did the king Dasharatha wish? Mahipati Dasharatha Yavarajyena Samyoktum Aichad. The king Dasharatha wished to coronate in the do the coronation. No, to do the coronation. Yes, next. Mahipati. Whom did the king Dasharatha wish to coronate as the prince or the king? So the great king Mahipati, the king Dasharatha, wished to coronate in the position of prince Rama. Wished to coronate Rama in the position of prince. Then what type of Rama did the king wish to coronate? The king Dasharatha, king, wanted Rama, the eldest son, to be coronated. What type of eldest? The eldest who was endowed with all eldest qualities. Jeshta, best qualities. Yes. The eldest endowed with best quality.
पुनः कीदृशम्?
Again, what type of eldest?
Evam guna sampannam
The guna sampannam. That eldest who has been endowed with the before said qualities. Punascha kidrusham. Again, what type of eldest?
Satya parakramam.
Who was truthful and valorous.
Katham bhutam.
How? What type again? That's Priyam, very pleasing.
Punaha kidrusham.
Again, what type of Rama?
Prakrutinam hitaihi yuktam.
Who was endowed with doing good to the people.
Mahipatihi Dasharatha kena hetuna Ramam yavarajena samyoktum aichat.
King Dasharatha, by what reason King Dasharatha wanted Rama to be coronated as prince?
Prakriti priyakamyaya prityacha.
Due to the Prakriti Priyakamya, due to the love of the people. Prakriti here means people. Prakriti Priyakamya, with the wish, with the loving wish of the people, and also out of his own affection. So this is Akanksha Paddhati, what we have seen. Kaha, starting with Kaha Aichat, who wished, what did he wish, who was, etc., etc. We have come to the end there. Anvayartha Srinivas.
Mahipati Dasharatha tam evam guna sampannam satya parakramam prakrutinam hitaihi yuktam jyeshtha gunaihi yuktam jyeshtam sutam ramam prakriti priyakamyaya prityaja yavarajena samyoktum aichat.
Okay. Padartha.
Mahipatihi bhupalaha.
Raja.
Dasharatha Dasharatha nama bhupatihi.
Now this Dasharatha sometimes explained Dashasu Dikshu Apratihataha Rataha Yasya Saha. This is a Bahuri Samasa. The one king whose chariot was went in all the 10 directions without any hindrance. Dashasu Dikshu Apratihataha, uninterrupted Rataha. That king whose chariot could go in all the 10 directions without any obstruction, interruption. 10 directions, one may wonder what 10 directions? 4 subdivided into 4, up and down. So that is how he got the title Dashara Rathaha. Okay.
Evam guna sampannam purvokta guna yuktam.
See, in the Ramayana, I remember one point here, Srinivas. Dasharatha is the father of Rama. Dashakhanda is the villain there. Dashamukha Ravana. He is also got this number Dasha. By Dashamukha Ravana, the 10 heads are symbolic of the knowledge he possessed of all the 10 directions. He was so well informed of everything. That is why he is called Dashakhanda, Dashamukha. Not that simply, but he was a Kamarupa. So he could not just exhibit 10 heads, 20 heads also. Any number of heads, if he wanted. Kamarupas of Ramayana are having that capacity that they could take any form they wished for.
Satya parakramam
Amogha parakramam, possessor of unfailing powers. Yeah. Prakriti now. So Prakriti means nature, one may. Prakriti also in political parlance means Prajaha, Prajanam. Lokanam, Prajanam.
Hitaihi yuktam.
Kalyanaihi. Hitagunaihi, Kalyanaihi yuktam. Yes.
Jyeshtha gunaihi yuktam, srestha gunaihi.
Jyeshtam eva sreshtam, Jyeshtha gunaihi, srestha gunaihi yuktam.
Jyeshtam, Sutam Putram.
Yes, Sutam Putram.
Prakriti Priyakamyaya Praja Kalyanechaya.
Prakrutinam Priyam Kartum Kamya. Taya Kamyaya. Prakriti Priya Kamyaya. Prakrutinam Priyam Kartum Ya Kamya Ya Ichha Asit. Tadrushaya Ichhaya. Ata Praja Kalyana Ichhaya. With a wish to please the people, do good to the people. Yes. Pritya, Saharsham, Premna also. Pritya means Premna.
संयोक्तुम
आरोहयितुम अभिषेक्तुम संयोक्तुम नाम अभिषेक्तुम आरोहितुम
ऐच्छत आवांछत.
There is a missing, I think, Srinivas, but after Pritya, Yavarajyena Samyoktum should be there. That word is missing here. Yavarajyena Samyoktum. This can be put here. So then it becomes meaningful. With to invest with the office of regent prince. To invest with the office of regent prince. Heir apparent, as we say, heir apparent. Finally, Aichat. Aichat iti kriyapadam avanchat. Aichat. Chaha sought. So, that is it, Srinivas. Yuvarajya adhikari. Yuvarajyena means, this Yuvarajyena is there in the text?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but why it is missing here? That should be there. After Pritya. Yavarajyena, you can take the meaning Yuvarajyadhikare. These two words we can incorporate. Yavarajyena, take it as coming after Pritya. Meaning Yuvarajyadhikare, that is the meaning. Then Samyoktum comes, Arohaitum or Abhishektum. Yeah, Bhavartha.
महाराजः दशरथः पूर्वोक्त गुण विशिष्टम् अमोघ पराक्रमं प्रजाकल्याणनिरतं ज्येष्ठं न केवलं ज्येष्ठम् अपितु उत्तमगुणैः अपि युक्तं पुत्रं श्रीरामं प्रजाकल्याणेच्छया सहर्षं युवराजपदम् आरोहयितुम्
Avanchat Aichat iti. So all the poems are put together in Anvayartha here. Maharaja Dasharatha Purvokta Guna Visishtam Purva Ukta Guna Visishtam Amogha Parakramam. Already we have taken Satya Parakramam, Amogha Parakramam, Praja Kalyana Niratam, Prajanam Kalyane Niratam Sada, Jeshtam, न केवलम ज्येष्ठम अपितु उत्तम गुणैः युक्तम अपि युक्तम पुत्रम श्रीरामम प्रजा कल्याण इच्छया प्रजानां कल्याणार्थम इच्छया सहर्षम प्रीत्या युवराजपदम युवराज्याधिकारे आरोहयितुम नाम आरोपयितुम अथवा अभिषेक्तुम ऐच्छत अवांछत. So the king Dasharatha wanted to coronate in the position of the prince Lord Sri Rama, who was the eldest and the best with the best qualities, etc. So here in the English translation, one word is not properly there. With intent to gratify the people, that means with a desire to please the people, the emperor Dasharatha there is a mistake here, lovingly. This loving by should be removed, lovingly. It should be corrected as lovingly sought to invest. That's okay. Lovingly, Pritya, lovingly sought to invest with office of regent his beloved son Sri Rama, who possessed, everything is okay. So, loving by is not conveying any English meaning there, so please make it lovingly. So, Nidarshanam Srinivas.
ज्येष्ठ गुणैः युक्तं ज्येष्ठ गुणैः प्लस युक्तं
विसर्ग संधि हितैः युक्तं विसर्ग संधि. So two sandhis are there.
समासः एवं गुण संपन्नं एवं ये गुणाः कर्मधारया एवं गुणैः संपन्नः एवं गुण संपन्नः तृतीया तत्पुरुषः.
So there are two compounds here, samasas. One is karmadharaya, another is Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa. Evam ye gunaha. Thus, those qualities, evam gunaha. Evam gunaihi, with such qualities. Yadi Angla Bhashayam Anuvadamaha, with such qualities. Evam gunaihi, with such qualities. Sampannaha, samyuktaha, samyutaha. Evam guna sampannaha. So that is Tritiya. Then, Satya.
सत्य पराक्रमं सत्यः पराक्रमः यस्य सः सत्य पराक्रमः बहुव्रीहिः तं सत्यः अमोघः.
That is Satyah Parakramah yasya saha, the one whose Parakrama valor was true. So Bahuri, then Tam Satya Parakrama Amogha. That means Satya Parakrama means Amogaha, unfailing. Next.
Prakruti Priya Kamyaya Prakrutinam Priyam Prakruti Priyam Shashti Tatpurusha Samasam Prakruti Priyasya Ichha Prakruti Priya Kamya Taya.
So Prakrutinam Jananam Lokanam Priyam Prakruti Priyam Shashti Tatpurusha. Prakrutinam Priyam Prakruti Priyam iti Prakruti Priyasya Ichha. Prakruti Priyasya Ichha Prakruti Priya Kamya. Prakriti Priya Kamya. Kamya means Ichha. Kamya is Akaranta Strilinga. Taya Prakriti Priya Kamyaya Ichhaya. Prakriti Ichhaya. Kamya nama Ichhaya. So that is Samasa. Ga Krudantaha. Sam iti upasargaha. Pad iti dhatuhu. Ta iti pratyaya, tanta pratyaya, that is krudanta. So sam pada ta, you get this sampanna, endowed with, Angla Bhashayam, endowed with. We also use sampanna means rich. Anything that is rich is endowed with good qualities. So that is how sampada ta. Yukta similarly. Yuja iti dhatu, yuja, yunakti, yojayati, etc. Yukta. Yukta means joined, united. From this only yujadhatu you get yoga. Yujyate anena iti yoga. That is called yoga by which something is joined. Samyoktum, again, sam upasarga, yujadhatu tumun. Tumun is there. Samyoktum, to unite. To unite.
Prakriti Priya Kamya, Prakriti
Priya Kamyach. Top. Top is a Strilinga maker. Pratyaya. A pratyaya which makes feminine gender, Srinivas. So Prakriti is Prakriti, Priya is Priya adjective, Kamyach is one pratyaya to which a is joined, and then top is in Prakriti Priya Kamya. That is how you get the word. Next, Tadita.
Yavarajam. Yavarajasya bhavaha. Yavaraja plus
Shine. From Shai you get Ya. This is used in Bhavartha, abstract sense. Bhavartha means abstract, like in the previous class I told you. There are some feelings which are abstract. All feelings are abstract. Krodha is abstract. Lobha is abstract. So, derived from Yuvarajasya bhavaha. Yavarajam. So, that is how it is derived. Bhavartha. So, grammatical points are done. Abhyasaha navamaha. Anvayam pureta. Now, as usual, you just fill in the how to fill. Mahipatihi. Anvayartha you have to take. Complete the construction. Anvaya. Mahipatihi Dasharataha. Tam evam guna sampannam. What is that? Tam evam
guna sampannam. Tam evam guna sampannam. Satya parakramam.
Guna sampannam is there?
Yeah. Tam evam guna sampannam. Prakriti Satya parakramam. Prakriti nam hitaihi yuktam.
Hitaihi yuktam.
Jyeshta gunaihi yuktam. Jyeshtam sutam.
Sutam Ramam Prakriti Priya Kamyaya Pritya Yavarajyena Samyoktum Aichat. That is. You better repeat, Srinivas, once. Dasharataha tam evam
guna sampannam satya parakramam prakrutinam hitaihi yuktam jyeshta gunaihi yuktam jyeshtam sutam ramam
Prakriti Priya Kamyaya Pritya Yavarajyena Samyoktum Aichat. Oh, this is you are supposed to do down there. Not there, you have to write out here. 2. 2 is that only, Srinivas. Watching. Dasharataha Mahipatihi. Oh, this is different, huh? Okay, Dvitiyantani. Sorry. Kshamyatam. Slokat yatha nirdesham padam sthapayata. You now, as required, you put the order. So, Prathamante Pade. How many Prathamanta Padas are there? According to that, you put them. 2. One is Dasharatha, another is Mahipatihi. Only 2. Dasharatha Mahipatihi. Iti Dveva Prathamante Pade. Kevalam Dve Staha Tatra. Ekamasti Dasharatha Padam, Dvitiyam Mahipati iti. Etau Dvaveva Prathamanta Shabdau. Idanim. That is 1 over. Next. Dvitiyanta Padani 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Now you pick up. Gunasampan. Evam Gunasampannam. Yes. Tam is there na first. Tam. Gunasampannam. Third one is Ramam. Satyaparakramam. Jeshtam. Yuktam. Priyam. Sutam. Again Yuktam. 2 times Yuktam is coming. Oh, this we have tried, Srinivas. Because they should know what are Prathamantas, what are Dvitiyantas. We will orally do and then write. Next. Shastyantam, 6th case ending words. Prakrutinam, 1, only 1. That's all. Prakrutinam, Trutiya Bahuvachanantam. Very easy to locate. Jestha. No. Where? Go to sloka.
Prakrutinam Hitaihi. No, we have to do it on the basis of Anvayat only.
Prakrutinam you have taken now already.
That is
Shastyantam. Trutiya Bahuvachanantam now you take.
Yeah, Hitaihi.
Hitaihi. Yes, Hitaihi.
Jeshta Gunaihi.
Yes.
Only how many are there?
But Jeshta Gunaihi is also there.
Yeah, only 1 is given.
No, Hitaihi. Hitaihi should also be there. First comes Jeshta Gunaihi, Srinivas. Jeshta Gunaihi Hitaihi. You should have given 1 more. Okay, I will give it. Then Akaranta Napumsakalinga Trutiya Ekavachanantam. 1 word. That is Yauvarajyena. Last line. Yauvarajyena. Vayamatra Dvitiyamsham Kurmaha. Aham Smarayami Ekavaram. Abhyasaha Navamaha. 9th exercise. Point 2 we are doing. Yeah.
Next.
That is over. Trutiya Ekavachana.
Ikaranta Strilinga Trutiya Ekavachana.
Ikaranta Strilinga.
Prakruti Priyakamyaya.
Kamyaya is 1. Pritya is also there, na?
Pritya is also
there. 4th line. Pritya. Only 1. That is Pritya.
Sumunantam Avyayam.
Only 1. Samyoktum. There is no other. Samyoktum. Tingantam. Verb. Kriyapadam is Aichat. Only 1. Aichat. So this I am going to make it more clear. Abhyasaha Navamaha. Part point 2.
Small. Prathamante Pade.
What is that? Prathamanta Pade. How many? 2 only.
Mahipati Dasharatha.
Can we put 2 here?
Yeah, actually.
Okay.
Then Dvitiyantani Padani.
Dvitiyantani. Yes, tell me.
There will be clash, sorry.
Clash is numbering.
Numbering
2.
clash will be there. there is no numbering again.
Pratamante Pade is there. Acha, acha.
Pra, pa.
We will have to write in short forms. Okay. Huh?
Next to V pa.
Dvitiyantam Padam. One.
Ektam.
Tam.
Guna Sampannam. Evam also will come.
No. Evam is away.
Guna Sampannam. Satya Parakramam. Yuktam. Once again Yuktam. Jyeshtam. Sutam.
4, 5. Next.
Ramam.
Or this is 6. Numbering is
one more actually.
We'll add what is there? 6, 7. Ninth we will put.
Ninth actually number is given but it's not there. Only 8 are there.
Sutam. 9. Yuktam.
Yuktam
2 times already come.
Yeah.
No, Srinivas. Tam.
Tam.
Guna, check. I have read. Tam. Guna Sampannam. Ramam. Satya Parakramam.
Ramam. Yeah, Ramam was come as 8. Okay.
Ramam. Satya Parakramam. Then Jeshtam is not
yeah,
there.
it's there.
Jeshtam, we have not read. Jeshtam. Yuktam. Priyam.
Priyam is
Oh, Priyam. We will take Yuktam, Jeshtam, Priyam, Sutam. Now you repeat that. Priyam.
Yeah, Priyam. Sutam.
Ramam. Sutam Ramam.
Sutam Ramam.
Okay. Sutam.
Ah.
9th. These are this. Okay, next.
Sha. Shashtyantam. Shapa.
Shashtanta Padam.
One is the Prakriti Nama.
Prakriti Nam, only one. Right. Next.
Tritiya Bahuvachanantam Padam. Through
Ba.
Pa.
Hmm.
Bahuvachana.
Yeah, Ba stands for Bahuvachanam. What are they?
Yeah. Hitaihi is all there. Is there a Jyeshta Gulai. Akaranta Napumsakanga Tritiya Ekavachana.
Only one. What's
Akaranta Srilinga Tritiya Ekavachana. Only one. Prakriti Priya Kamya.
For?
No, one more, two more. Tumunantam avyayam.
Tuman. Tuman itself is avyaya, so we'll do.
Samyoktam.
Samyoktam. One more. We'll write here. Tingantam. We'll write here. Kriyapada. So this is nothing but an exercise where you identify words. What is Pratamanta, what is Dvitiyanta, etc. So can we go to the next? Amshaha, Trutiyaha, third point here. Let them see for a while. Shabdartho Yathochitam Yojayata. Match the words with meanings. As usual, one is given a thing. Mahipatihi, Bhupatihi. Okay. Synonyms like Hitaihi. No. Hitaihi. Check. Kalyanihi. Hitaihi. Bahuvachana. Kalyanihi. So, Ga. Hitaihi. 2 goes with Ga. 3 Sutam Kha. Very easy. Sutam Putram Kha. 4 Prakrutinam Kha. First one. Prakrutinam Prajanam. First one. Then fifth one. Pritya. Now Snehena. Pritya Snehena. 5 goes with Cha. Aichat Ishtavan. Here is a purposely one different participle is used here, not regular Ishtavan. Tavatu Pratyanta is used. Ichati becomes Ishtavan. So, Tutiyamshaha, very simple. I will rapidly sum it up. Hitaihi, Kalyanihi, Sutam Putram, Prakrutinam Prajanam, Pritya Snehena, Aichat Ishtavan iti. Chaturthamshaha, Prashnasya Uchitam Uttaram Chiknankitam Kuruta. Now you just tick off the right answer. Dasharathasya Jyeshtaha Putraha Kaha. Who is the eldest son of Dasharatha? Anybody would put the Kha only, not Ka. So Ramaha, right. Suchana, what is this? Dasharataha Ramam Yavarajyena Sanyoktum Aichat. Tatra Heturupena Kanichid Vakyani Dattani Santi Tani Patata. Now you read some. Dasharatha wanted to, of course, coronate Rama in the post of Yuvaraja. So read the following sentences given as cause to the incident. Rame Dasharathasya asaktihi asit. Rama, Dasharatha had interest in Rama. Asakti, interest in, attachment in Rama. 2. Rama was the eldest. C. Rama was endowed with the elderly best qualities also. Rama was united with, endowed with the qualities benefiting the people. Kausalya requested Dasharatha to invest or to appoint or coronate Rama in the post of prince. Now, the question is here, Ramam Yuvarajya Pade Arohitum, to make Rama invest Rama, to coronate Rama in the position of prince, uparyukteshu, above said, kim karanam asit. What is the reason? Now, which of the above said reasons or causes are true in connection with the coronation of Lord Rama to the post of prince? So, is it A, Rame Dasharathasya asaktihi asit? A. Asakti.
We can choose 2, 3 also, sir. Even B, C, D. A.
True, but is it A correct? I don't think A correct. Rame Dasharathasya asaktihi asit.
That's not correct.
Not correct. B, Ramaha Jeshtaha asit. Yes, Rama was just a fact, it is a fact. Rama was just a fact, na? So B is correct. It is coming to BCD, Srinivas.
Yeah, B, C, D. Okay.
That is the answer. B is correct. C is Ramaha Jeshta Gunaihi Api Yukta Asit, right. G is, D is Ramaha Prakrutinam Hitai is also there in the poem. So the answer, correct answer would be B, C, D. The option G. Okay?
Yes.
Now you take third one. Read. Guna Sampannam
Iti samasta padasya vigraha kaha.
Kaha. What is the Vigraha analytical sentence of the compound word Guna Sampannam? Gunam Sampannam or Guna Sampannam? Options are there.
Gunaihi sampannaha, gunasya sampannaha.
Which one you think is correct?
Gunaihi.
Not Guna Gunaihi Sampannaha.
Ga.
Endowed with the good qualities. So G is correct here. G. Srinivas. Then Satya Parakramam 4.4 Amshaha Chaturtha Amshaha iti Kasya Viseshanam. Whose adjective is this Satya Parakrama? The word. To which noun, to which is this adjective? No, options are there before you.
Okay. Dasharathah ityasya.
Mahipatihi ityasya, Ramam ityasya, Pritya ityasya. What do you think? No, look at the word. Satya Parakramam iti padam kasya viseshanam.
Ramam.
Ramam only, it can't be anything. Ramam only. Ramam ityasya. Dasharatha it can't be because you watch the ending. Parakramam. Okay, done. Good. 5. Panchamamshaha. Prakruti priya kamyaya iti padasya arthaha kaha. What is the meaning of this word? Praja Kalyanam or Praja Kalyanecha, Praja Kalyanechaya, Praja Kalyana Karakam. Praja Kalyanechaya, that is Ga. So 4 is Ga, 5 is also Ga. Why? Because Kamyaya Trutiya, the word, compound word is Trutiya ending, and the meaning is Ichaya is correct. Now Suchana. Yauvarajyam iti padasya vishaye agre likitani kathanani patata. Now you read what are mentioned. Yeah, read.
A. Yavarajyam iti strilingam padamasti. B. Yavarajyam ityasya ityatra Yavaraja iti tadhidantam asti. C. Yavarajyam ityasya vigraha Yavarajasya bhavaha ityasti. D. Yavaraja shabdat प्रत्यये कृते यवराज्य शब्दः सिद्ध्यति ई युवराज शब्दात्
अनप्रत्यये सति
यवराज्य शब्दः सिद्ध्यति.
So which you think are correct? First is, let us see. Yavarajyam iti strilingam padam, not correct. No. 2. Yavarajyam ityatra Yavarajya iti tadditantam asti. This is also not correct. C. Yavarajyam ityasya vigraha Yuvarajasya bhavaha ityasti. This is correct. D. Yuvaraja shabdat shan pratyaya krute Yavaraja shabda siddhyati. We have already seen it is correct. This is also correct, Sitwa. Go to 67 page, show them also. Back, a little back. Last point there.
Yuvarajasya bhava.
Yuvaraja plus shine. Tadita. So this is also correct. D is correct. Yuvaraja Shabdat. C and D are correct. E is not. Yuvaraja Shabdat. No, it is not. So you are learning pratyaya here, sorry. Bhavartha is first, then shan pratyaya use it. Then you get this. Sixth, Srinivas. Upariyukteshu satyam.
So here option. Okay. Correct. Options are given here.
Upariyukteshu satyam asti. Which of the above sentences is true? A, no. E, no. Then what is coming? A, B, no. B, C, D.
Only CD, no, sir?
Yeah, that is what I am saying. B, Y, B, Yavarajyam ititra, Yavarajya iti taditantam. It is taditanta only. Okay, we can take it. B, C, D. Because it is taditanta. So B, C, D. Last, G. So evam rupena, a novel exercise is there. This is. Now this exercise is also making you learn the new pratyas, exercise in pratyas. Now sloka you have to read. Half line went there, half line coming here.
Yavarajyena samyoktam aichat prityamahipatihi tasya visheka samharan društva bharyathaikaikahi purvam dattavara devi varamena vayachata vivasanam cha ramasya bharatasya abhishechanam.
So Yavarajyena sanyoktumaichat prityamahipatihi is the first line. Tasyabhisheka sambharan društva bharyata kaikai purvam dattavara devi varam enam ayachata vivasanam cha ramasya bharatasya abhishechanam. Padacheda I have done, I think. We will go to Pada Parichaya directly.
Tasya tad
Dakaranta Sarvanama Shabda
Shashti ekavachana.
Pullinga Shashti ekavachana. Napumsake evi Shashti tasya iti bhavati. Padam Dattavara. Okay. You go across, you will go down.
Down. Abhisheka samharan akaranta pullinga dvitiya bahuvachanam samastam društva krudantam
Avyayam
bharya akaranta
Srilinga Prathama ekavachanam.
atha avyayam kaikai ikaranta Srilinga
Prathama ekavachanam. Purvam
akaranta napumsaka dvitiya ekavachanam dattavara akaranta Srilinga prathama ekavachanam samastam devi ikaranta Srilinga prathama ekavachanam varam akaranta pullinga dvitiya ekavachanam enam etad padam etad dakaranta sarvanama dvitiya ekavachanam vaikalpikam rupam.
Yeah, Vaikalpikam Rupam. This is an optional. Idam. Idam could be there also. Etam, enam. Etam, enam. Idam Shabda. So optional form, enam.
Ayachata.
Yacha dhatuhu kartari in active sense. Lang. Lang means past tense. Prathama purusha ekavachana. Yachate iti lat prayoga bhavati. In the present tense it becomes yachate, yachete, yachante. Ayachata, ayachetam, ayachanta. Okay. Vivasanam. Ekavachanam. These are the pada parichaya, akanksha. No. Ayachata. Ayachata, wished. Asked for. Begged. Literally begged. Who begged? Who requested? Bharya, wife begged for, begged of or requested. Ka bharya, which wife begged of? Kaikai, wife Kaikai begged of. Sa kim ayacha, what did she beg of or request?
Sa ramasya vivasanam bharatasya abhishechanam cha enam varam ayacha.
She wished Rama's exile and Bharata's coronation. what type of did she did ask for this boon?
Purvam dattavara sadevi evam varam ayachata.
Purvam datta, she who was given previously the boon, she who was bestowed the boon earlier, that princess, I mean the queen, that queen who was already given the boon, asked for this wish. Varam, you can say wish. Enam varam ayachata.
Sa enam varam kim krutva ayachata.
Thinking what did she ask for this wish or boon?
Sa enam varam tasya ramasya abhisheka samharam krutva ayachata.
Seeing what? So seeing the preparations for the coronation of Rama, she asked this. Sa Kaikeyi enam varam, this boon or promise, tasya ramasya abhisheka sambaran društva, seeing the preparations for the coronation of Rama, ayachata, she asked for. So Anvayartha, very simple coming.
Atha tasya abhisheka samharam društva purvam dattavara bharya devi kaikeyi ramasya vivasanam bharatasya abhishekanam cha enam varam ayachata.
Then tasya abhisheka sambharan, ramasya abhisheka sambharan društva, seeing the preparations for the coronation of Rama, purvam dattavara bharya devi kaikeyi, kaikeyi, queen kaikeyi, who was already given the boon, ramasya vivasanam, exile of Rama, bharatasya abhishechanam, coronation of Bharata, enam varam, this vara she begged of. Now padartha.
Atha anantaram.
Atha is an avyaya, which we will come across later. Anantaram.
Tasya
Ramasya.
Abhisheka sambharan, abhisheka prastutim.
Abhisheka prastutim. Okay. Preparation.
Vilokya.
Vilokya. The one is Ktvanta, another is Lyabanta, if you observe this artha. Društva iti Ktvanta, Vilokya is Lyap.
Purvam purvakale.
Purvakale.
Dattavara labdhavara.
Dattavara. Dattam varam, I think samasas will get that. Or dattav varav, whatever it is.
Arya patni, devi devi.
Devi devi. Kaikeyi.
Kaikaya raja putri.
Kekaya. Kekaya raja putri. Kaikeyi, the daughter of king of Keka. Next, Vivasanam, Nirvasanam, that is removal, literally means exile.
Abhishechanam
Chavishekam. Enam Dasharatham. Varam is varam only, boon. Ayachata prarthitavati. Manga. So very simple only. Bhavartha?
Raja Dasharatha yada yuvarajapade ramam abhishektum aichhatu tada.
So what is given here is the correction. When King Dasharatha wanted to coronate Rama in the position, to the post of the prince, tada, then Ramas.
Abhisheka prastutim vilokya kaikayi purvam praptam
Varadvayam
samprati Ramasya nirvasana rupena bharatasya cha rajyabhisheka rupena Dasharatham yachitavati.
So, seeing the preparations for the coronation, Rama, Kaikeyi, Purvam Praptam Bharadvayam, what the Varas, two boons which she got earlier, Samprati now, Ramasya to Rama, she asked for two people, Ramasya Nirvasana Rupena, by exiling Rama, one boon, Bharatasya Rajyabhisheka Rupena, another in the form of coronation to Bharata, Dasharatham Yachitavat. She begged of Dasharatha. Nothing more there. Okay, we will go to Nidarshanam now. Vyakarana.
Tasyabhisheka samharam. Tasya abhisheka samharam. Dirghasana.
Tasyabhisheka samharam. Yes.
Bharya atha dirghasana dirghasana. Bharatasya abhishechanam. Bharatasya
plus abhishechanam dirghasandhi. Samasa.
अभिषेक
संभारान्
अभिषेकस्य संभाराः अभिषेक संभाराः षष्ठी तत्पुरुष तान् अभिषेक संभारान् दत्तौ वरौ
yeah, dattavara samasa is dattavara dattau varau yasyai sa.
Sorry, first samasa you have to explain.
Oh, not abhisheka sambhara, abhishekasya sambhara, preparations of the coronation is equal to coronation preparations. You have to compound that. That is Shashti Tatpurusha. Tan, about those. Abhisheka Sambharan. So this comes as Abhisheka next. Dattavara. Vara Shabda is pulling a Shabda, Srinivas. So Dattau Varau, given 2 boons. Yasyai, for which lady? Here, Sampradane Chaturthi, we have that rule na. So Ya, Yam, Yaya, Yasyai. Yasyai, Kaikayai. That is Chaturthi. Varau, Dattau, Varau. Yasyai, Sa, Dattavara. That lady for whom 2 boons are given. That lady for whom, to whom 2 boons were conferred. That is Dattavara. So Samasa is over. Prudantas. Vivasanam, Upasarga, Vasadhatu, Nich. Nich means in causal sense. Nich means Preranartaka. See, I will give you one simple example. Aham khadami, annam khadami. Mama putram khadayami. Understand? Putram khadayam, making my son eat. Is there no difference? Mata annam khadati, putram khadayati. So that is Nich Prayoga, making in. Lut is neuter noun, making of neuter noun you get anam. It's already come several times, lut has come. Like from Gamadatu Gamanam, Patanam, etc. So Nivasanam, that is next. Abhi Upasarga, Sich Dhatu Sinchati iti, Sich Dhatu, again lut. By this formation you get Abhishechanam. Karaka is only one. One Karaka means Vibhakti. One Vibhakti, Karmani Shashti. And karma is to be explained, expressed. Shashti Vibhakti used sometimes in karma. Karma means what? What do you understand? Dvitiya. Karma means Dvitiya. Karta, Karma, Kriya. You know this much? Karta is agent. Ramaha, Karta. Ravanam, Karma. Amarayat, Kriya. Karma is object. So, Karmani, sometimes in objectifying, sometimes Shashti is used. So, Ramasya Vivasanam means Rama is karma, is not karma. Who is being sent to exile, not jail, I said, sorry. Who is being sent to the Vanavasa? Rama is karma. In karma, karmani means in karma, in object, Shashti comes sometimes. So Ramasya Vivasanam, Rama himself is going to the Vanavasa. Ramam Vivasanam na, Ramasya Vivasanam, Shashti in karma. So watch that, karmani Shashti. Kartru karmanoho kruti, I think that is the rule here maybe. Next, Bharatasya Abhishechanam. Bharata is karma. Bharata is the object of Abhisheka, isn't it? So Abhisheka is done to Bharata. So Bharatasya Abhishechanam. So just watch, that is why the book says Avadheyam, to be noted only. Karmani Shastyaha Vishaye. Oh, very soon we have come to Abhyasa, Srinivas. Yeah, we can do, I think, one Abhyasa. Seeing what Kaikeyi asked for the boon. She asked the boon seeing what? Abhisheka Sambaran. So the answer is Kaikeyi Ramasya Abhisheka Sambharan Društva Varamayachata. So you use remove Kim. Kimiti Padam Nishkasya Tasthane Ramasya Abhisheka Sambharan Pada Dvayam Tatra Yojaniyam. These two words should be incorporated there. Kaikeyi, keep it as it is. Ramasya Abhisheka Sambharan Društva Varamayachata. Okay? And the whole thing can be written out. Next is in
Kaikeyi kasya abhishechanam ayachata.
Ayachata. Ayachata. Whose coronation did Kaikeyi wish for? That's all. Answer is Bharatasya. We know. Kaikeyi Bharatasya Abhishechanam Ayachata. Kaikeyi wished for the coronation of Bharata. Okay, 3.
Kaikeyi
Kasya
abhisheka sambharan društavati.
Sambharan Društavati. Whose preparations did Kaikeyi see? Means Kaikeyi Kasya remove Ramasya Abhisheka Sambharan Društavati. 4.
Kaikeyi kasya vivasanam ayachata.
Whose banishment exile did Kaikeyi wish for? Kaikeyi keep it, Kasya take out, and Ramasya again. Kaikeyi Ramasya Vivasanam Ayachata. 5.
Kaikeyi dvau varau datum purvam kaha pratignatavan.
Kaikeyi now Tasyai, just now we studied Tasyai. Varau Dattau Yasyai Sa Dattavara. That is what we read. Kaikeyi Dvau Varau Datum Purvam Kaha Pratignatavan. Who promised earlier to give 2 boons to Kaikeyi. So Kaikeyi Dvauvarau Datum Purvam, simply take out Kaha, Dasharataha Pratignatavan, promised. So here very simple, I think. You take out Kim, put Ramasya Abhisheka Sambharan. Second one, Kasya take out Bharatasya. Third, Kasya Ramasya. Again Kasya Ramasya. And then Kaha in the fifth one, take out Kaha and put Dasharataha. And everything is the same, Srinivas. Can we? Yathodaharanam Vakyam Parivartya. Now we change the sentence as given in the example. Dasharataha Ramam Vivasayati. Dasharataha Ramasya Vivasanam Karoti. Now see the change. Ramam is changing to Ramasya. Vivasayati is changing to Vivasanam Karoti. This is another way of writing. Vakya Parivartana. Similarly, Dasharatha, one more is given. Bharatam Abhishinchati. This is direct, Srinivas. Dasharatha coronates Bharata. Dasharatha Bharatasya Abhishechanam Karoti. This is indirect way of saying. One is direct, another is indirect. So where, now you understand, Srinivas, what is given in the previous just now? Karmani Shashti. You can see here. Ramam has become in this second Ramasya. Bharatam has become Bharata. That is Karmani Shashti. Now this practice follows. You have to do practice here. Can we take up that now? No. Yeah, do 1, 3.
Guruhu Vedan Adhyapayati. Guruhu Vedasya Adhyapanam.
No. Why Vedasya? Vedan is plural. Bahuvachana. Vedanam. Guruhu Vedanam Adhyapanam Karoti. That is. Guruhu Vedan Adhyapayati. The teacher teaches the Vedas. Guruhu Vedanam Adhyapanam Karoti is the second half. Right? 4.
Shishyaha Samidaha Anayanti.
Students get the fire sticks, holy sticks, samidas.
Shishyaha samidhasya.
No. Samid Shabda is Dhakaranta Strilinga Shabda. There we land in trouble. It is Samit or Samid, Samidhau, Samidhaha. Samidham, Samidhau, Samidaha, Samida, Samidvyam, Samidbhihi, Samidhe, Samidvyam, Samidvyah. Samidhaha, Samidvyam, Samidvyah. Samidaha, Samidoho, Samidham. Shashti Bhagavachana. Here we have to use Shashti in Samid Shabda. Samidham. Samidhaha, Samidhoho, Samidham. And Saptami will finish the Vibhakti derivation. Samidhi, Samidhoho, Samitsu. That is ending. So here Samidham, Shishyaha, Samidham, Anayanam Kurvanti. 3. Okay. We'll stop here. We'll do it again if you want.